Okay, so this is a new CPU cooler that I'll be upgrading to from the stock AMD cooler, which we did the Cinebench marks just recently and found that the temperature of the CPU under multi-core test was going up to 87.8 degrees Celsius. That's way high beyond the recommended temperature. It's unhealthy for the CPU. So I bought this at about 39 Singapore dollars. Yeah, it's ARGB cooler with I think 4 heat pipes. Yeah, it has 4 heat pipes and it has high grade thermal paste included. So this is the specifications. If you want, for the fan it's ARGB and it can be commanded through any of the Aura Sync, Asus, Gigabyte, MSI. They have their own applications for syncing RGB. We can use that. So yeah, it can be used for both Intel and AMD sockets. Just for Intel you need to just add this additional thing for LGA socket. And it has hybrid ARGB. That means there is a ring here, that is one section, and the fan itself has one more section. So yeah, the model is, as you all can see, it's Assassin Spirit 120 Evo from Thermalright. So Thermalright is a Taiwanese company. So we'll just unbox now. So unboxing should be quite straightforward. Just take this. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Just pull this tab and open this up, and this comes the thing back like this, and at the top we should have the brackets, screws and holders. Yes, this pack has contents, all the required contents along with the thermal paste. Okay, user manual here, Assassin Spirit 120 Evo, and probably this is the warranty card or some information, okay, in Mandarin or Chinese. Yeah, so this is the main one. So you can see, so this is the main content of the box. Yeah, so if I remove this, so here is the main contact point. You see the 4 copper pipes. So this goes to the CPU's surface, where we apply thermal paste on the CPU surface and then we put this there. So as far as the connectors are going, we should have 2 connectors, one for the processor power and one for the ARGB signal cable. Yeah, so 2 cables. I'll just open and show that. So this is the overall footprint, you know. Let me put it on top of, yeah, so you can see it's a full black anodized or some coated, black coated. All these are copper pipes. This is fully black. This is white because it's ARGB. It has lights here. And as I mentioned, 2 cables, one for the processor power and one for, this is 3 pin and this is 4 pin. So 4 pin should be the power and 3 pin should be the ARGB signal cable. Yeah, so we'll upgrade on the current system where we did a Cinebench stress test on the CPU. After upgrading, we'll again check the scores. Thank you.